This is the example of ice formation on the AC coils. What may be the reason and how to solve this? Take the remote and keep it in the maximum temperature. Like now I kept that in 30. After that, switch on the fan to the maximum. After that, you press turbo. When you press turbo, all indications will be here. See, now I am pressing turbo. Yes. Let us watch what's happening in the AC. Keep it in 30 and switch on the fan and you run it. See how the ice is getting melted. Yes, this is the solution. Please do not reduce the temperature. Keep it in the maximum temperature and you blow it. Yes. Now I am getting the cooling instantly. I can feel. See, there is a lot of dust on the filters, so you must clean it thoroughly. This is one of the cause to form ice on the AC indoor unit. So please keep them clean always as possible. The cleaning must be like this, like this. So regular cleaning is very essential. So if you clean it regularly, there will not be any clogging of pipes. That means inside indoor unit, and your AC will work efficiently.